Understanding Penultimate Step, a guide for English learners. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, penultimate step. This might be a new phrase for many English learners, and understanding it can really enhance your language skills. So, let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. The phrase, penultimate step, has two parts, penultimate and step. Let's break these down. Penultimate. This word comes from Latin and means almost last, or second to last. It is used to describe something that is just before the final part of a series. Step. In this context, a step is a stage or a part of a process. So, when we combine these two words, penultimate step refers to the second to last stage in a process or sequence. Now, let's look at some examples of how to use penultimate step in sentences. In the recipe, adding the spices is the penultimate step before letting the dish simmer. The penultimate step in our project is to review the final draft before submission. In the marathon, reaching the 25th mile is the penultimate step before the glorious finish. These examples show that the phrase is often used to describe an important but not final stage in a process. It's easy to confuse penultimate with ultimate. Remember, penultimate, second to last. Ultimate, last or final. Avoid using penultimate to describe the last step. That's a common mistake among English learners. Understanding phrases like penultimate step can really polish your English language skills. It's a fantastic way to express a specific part of a sequence or process. We hope this video has been helpful in explaining this interesting phrase. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.